Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making Ital stew peas, and this stew peas, guys, I won't be using any kidney beans. I'm using blackeye beans to make this stew peas. So guys, here's a list of the ingredients. Here's a list of the ingredients that I'm going to be used. Over here I've got my coconut. I'm going to blend that, and that's natural coconut. As you can know, all my videos I use natural coconut to cook with because I like natural stuff. And I've got my kidney beans over there. I've got green scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, thyme, carrot, pumpkin, garlic. Got some spelt flour I'm going to use and some pimento berries. So guys, we're going to jump straight into the video, and there's not going to be no salt added into this stew peas. I'm just keeping it Ital and natural. So over here guys, I've got my pot on as usual. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the black eyed beans to the pot to cook. Right, so I'm just going to add it in, and this is like 2.5 cups of beans, because you know stew peas you have to have enough peas in it. Right, and I'm also going to season it with some thyme, fresh thyme, and garlic. So now guys, I'm going to add some pimento berries to the pot, fresh thyme, and I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic also in there. And I'm going to allow that to cook, guys, but please keep checking to make sure there's enough liquid in there and your peas cooked. Alright, so I'm going to let this boil for about 15 minutes before I check back on it. So now guys, my peas is cooked. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to season it now. So I'm going to add some carrots and some pumpkin in there. I'm not adding a lot of stuff. And I'm also gonna put some scallion and 1 scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm also gonna add some thyme, some more fresh thyme. It still need a bit more liquid guys, but I won't use any more water. I'm just gonna add coconut milk in there, right? So I'm going to put the coconut milk from a liquid in there. And I'm going to leave that on low heat, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prepare the spinners. Right. So it's on low heat now guys. As you can see, wow, it looks so good. Look at the rainbow. And remember guys, this is Ital, no salt. Yes. So anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna need the flour. So guys, this is the amount of flour that I'll be using to make the spinners, and I'm using this brand. I'm using this brand. Yeah, spelt flour. I love it guys, it's really nice. Really good. And I won't add any salt. No, I won't add any salt to the flour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use some alkaline water, and I'm gonna knead this dough. After I finish kneading the dough guys, this is what it looks like. And my hands are clean guys. Make sure you wash your hands properly throughout when you're cooking. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna make the spinners for the pot. So I'm gonna take you along with me. So the pot is bubbling, so spinners time guys, and I don't want to make them too big. Just this gonna be the right size. I'm just gonna put them in there, just like that. So this is stew peas, but yeah, black eye beans are using today for this stew. You can use whatever beans you want. So yeah, so I won't be talking now guys, so I see you when I finish. Now that I've finished making the spinners guys, I'm gonna Make sure I stir everything, and I'm not adding no more water to this. So this is going to be a low heat, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Right? But guys, if you want to add salt, go ahead and do so. But for me, no. I want to keep it ital. You can enjoy food with coconut milk, all herbs and spices, and just keeping it ital. And it tastes delicious. So guys, this is how you want this piece to look. So make sure you taste as you go along to see what it needs. Oh yes, looks so good. So we're gonna plate up, guys, and then you're gonna see the final product. Okay, so guys, this is the final product of my Ital stew peas, and I'm having it with some black rice, broccoli, green beans, and lettuce. Guys, it tasted so good. Oh my gosh, it's really delicious, trust me. Oh yeah. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and guys, please give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below if you're gonna make this, guys, because it tastes really good, really good. I just want to say thanks to each and everyone. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Miss Uno, Miss, thank you for support the thing. And I just want to big up on yourself, guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.